Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so you don't lose more data. First, sign into iCloud and verify messages in iCloud is enabled. That determines what can restore. Once done, make a fresh backup to iCloud or Finder. This preserves current state. Make sure you know your device passcode and Apple ID password because you'll need them to restore or to access encrypted backups. Finally, locate any recent backups and note their date. That dictates which messages can be recovered. Now choose the appropriate method for getting messages back. If the messages exist in an iCloud backup, reset the iPhone and during setup pick that backup. This replaces current data with the backup's content. Alternatively, connect to your computer and restore an encrypted Finder or iTunes backup to retain passwords and message history. If you prefer not to overwrite, use a trusted extraction tool to read backups and export messages selectively. Make sure backups are decrypted or encrypted keys are available so extraction succeeds. Complete the process by letting the device finish setup and allowing messages to fully sync. Large libraries can take hours. If messages still are missing, don't panic. Check other backups, extraction tool logs, and any archived exports. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID, that Wi-Fi is stable, and that iCloud has had time to reconcile changes. A key troubleshooting tip: if you get failures, try restoring a different backup or rerunning the extractor, and document error messages to guide next steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.